Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add discount codes in Wix. So let's get started. So right now I'm on the all sites of Wix. So in here, just choose the site wherein a store is here. So as you can see, this CR, there is a store. So this one select and edit site. And then in here, it will open the Wix Manage dashboard. So we can just wait for that to load. And after it's done loading, it will show you this page right here with your setup, your home, and everything right here on the left page. So in here, what you need to do is to just hover over in this, scroll until you can see this marketing and SEO. Now under the marketing and SEO, you should be able to see this coupons right here. So click on coupons. And then once you have click on that, it will open a new site wherein you can actually create a coupon. So click on create coupon, which is this new coupon right here. And in here, select the type of coupon you want to offer. So for example, let's choose an percent discount. So the coupon code can be TRAME. Then the coupon name can be something like discount or Tiara discount right here. So since we offered percent, we can just put in the percent of discount that we want. For example, let's put in 20%. And then this is applied to specific products or product specific category and all of that. So for this one, you can choose whatever is applicable to you. But for me, I'll just choose this all products right here. And then in here, you can also apply this once per order or apply the eligible item to order. So for me, I'll just choose this one. And then from in there, just choose the validity of this coupon. So let's uncheck this. But you can also check not if you want. And then in here, just select a valid date. So I will run it until February 14. And then in here, you can limit the total number of uses for this coupon. So let's choose the limit in here for 100. And then can also limit it to 1 use per customer, but I will not limit that for now. Can also just use other type of coupon, which is a price coupon, per shipping coupon, sale price, or a buy X, get Y free, wherein can get buy one, get one, or things like that. After that, click on create coupon. And as you can see right here, it has been active, and you can see the uses right here and all of this right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add discount code in Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.